HCDE 210 Usability Test Report. Members involved: Gloriane Yu, Jessica Kong, and Rick Han. The purpose of this report is to show our objective, which is to run a usability test on a product called the microwave. The location was set up at Maple Hall Lounge Room. The users that participated in this experiment were 3 college-age students. Why college students? College students normally have busy lives, with many events and activities scheduled back-to-back. With the little time they have to prepare meals, they often depend on ready-to-eat or instant meals that requires very little preparation time. Therefore, they are the perfect users to test the microwave product usability of effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. Tasks. The scenario is to simulate a possible common daily routine of warming up a meal. The routine was simply divided into 3 chronological tasks. 1. Setting the microwave clock at 4:21 p.m. 2. Microwaving food for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then canceling the action. 3. Cleaning the microwave by simply removing the rotational tray and properly inserting it back. Data types. The data is important in order to understand the efficiency, effectiveness, and the satisfaction of the microwave. There were 3 types of data we collected. 1. The amount of time it took to complete the task. 2. The amount of buttons pressed or steps took to finish the task. 3. The user's rating of difficulty finishing the task. This is a summary chart of the data result for Task 1, setting the clock time to 4:21 p.m. Notes include obvious signs of confusion and fiddling with clock time and timer on and off button. This is a summary chart for data result of Task 2, setting and canceling the food timer at 1:30. Notes includes that PT used the add 30 seconds button, and they all mention that the timer on-off button and clock time button is confusing. This is the data result for Task 3, removing and assembling the tray. Notes include that P3 mentioned he was not sure if the tray is properly placed. Data result summary. User P1, P2, and P3 commented how they were confused between the 2 buttons, cook timer and timer on and off. Therefore, they had some difficulty properly setting up the clock. Task 3 was rated as the most easiest task to perform, with the least amount of steps and time. Task 1 was rated as the most difficulty as it took the most time and button/steps to complete. P3 describes the process as a hassle since there was no stimulus from the microwave to let him know whether Task 3 was properly completed. What we could have done differently and why. Having more than 3 participants will help us discern better between the trends and patterns and individuals' unique, unusual approaches. We could have also encouraged each participant to talk more about their actions and thought processes so we can understand on a much better level of interacting with the product's properties and functions.